Hey there, my name is Joel. I work at the South Branch of the Cleveland Public Library. This week's theme is STEM and space, and we're going to do a science experiment of a Mars landing, and we're going to build a parachute craft today. So today we're going to use a plastic egg and popcorn kernels inside, and we're going to see if it breaks open. But our goal is for it to not break open. So what you will need is either a plastic egg and our popcorn kernels, which you should be able to get at any of our CPL branches or locations. With an adult supervision, you can use a real egg, which is really fun, a cup, some string, scissors, and one last thing, tape. So to get started, we gotta design. We gotta make the coolest looking parachute we can. I like the squiggle design, and that's how I'm gonna make my parachute.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All 3 engines up and burning.
So now, the next thing we have to do is add our strings to the parachute. We're gonna use tape on the corners of our parachute, because if we string through the paper, sometimes the paper rips, so the tape gives it extra support. And now we just have to make a hole through the tape. Now we can use scissors, but I have a hole puncher and I'm just going to use that right now. So I have my parachute and my cup, and now I have to connect the two. So we need 4 equal pieces, and we gotta get 4 pieces that are equal out of this one piece. So the easiest way is to cut one long piece, make sure it's even, cut in half. Okay, so now I have 2 equal pieces. So if I take these 2 equal pieces and do the same thing, take the cut ends, put them together, and then cut the end, I will have 4 equal pieces. Tie a little knot, go around, loop it around and under, and I got my last one. There we go. So now we have our strings, and now we just gotta connect it to our cup. So here is our parachute. Now what we're gonna do is take our plastic egg, if you have one, and we're gonna put some of the popcorn kernels inside. The whole idea is we want to see is if will this create enough wind resistance to slow the cup down so our egg doesn't break, because this is our astronaut and we want nothing bad to happen to them. Let's see if a balloon will do better than a piece of paper. So first we gotta do is blow up our balloon. I'm gonna blow it up like halfway, make sure it doesn't blow up. And then I'm gonna tie the end. Now, tying a balloon can be difficult, so you may need to ask an adult or a big sibling for help. We're gonna take one long piece of ribbon or string or twine, whatever you have, fold it in half, and then cut the middle. We have 2 equal pieces. And now we do it again and cut that in the middle of both pieces. I am going to tape these to the cup first. For the balloon, you can even put your balloon right on your cup. And then you can just tape your ribbon, string, twine, whatever you have. And you just tape it to the balloon. And we're gonna see if this balloon slows our cup with our egg in it, slow it down enough so it doesn't break. Thanks for joining us. Keep on reading and logging those books for the Summer Lit League.